Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We hope you're enjoying the content we're putting out. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to our channel. We're constantly creating new videos on a variety of topics. From DIY projects to travel vlogs to food and recipes, so there's something for everyone. There are many ways to make money online, but it is important to remember that there is no get-rich-quick scheme that will make you rich overnight. Making money online requires hard work, dedication, and often a lot of patience. Here are some popular ways to make money online. Freelancing. You can offer your services as a freelancer in areas such as writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, and more. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com can help you find clients. Online surveys. You can participate in online surveys on websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. These sites pay you for completing surveys and providing feedback. Affiliate marketing. You can earn commissions by promoting products or services on your website or social media platforms. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction are popular affiliate marketing platforms. Online teaching. You can teach English as a foreign language or offer tutoring services in your area of expertise on websites like VIPKid, Teachable, and Udemy. E-commerce. You can sell products on websites like Amazon, Etsy, and Shopify. You can also create your own online store using platforms like WooCommerce or Magento. Freelancing. Step 1. Determine your skill set and choose a niche. Step 2. Create a portfolio showcasing your work. Step 3. Sign up for a freelancing platform like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com. Step 4. Create a profile and fill in all the necessary details. Step 5. Start bidding on projects that match your skills and experience. Step 6. Communicate with clients, complete the project, and receive payment. Online surveys. Step 1. Sign up for online survey websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. Step 2. Create a profile and provide all necessary information. Step 3. Browse available surveys and choose ones that match your interests. Step 4. Complete the surveys and earn points or cash rewards. Step 5. Cash out your rewards via PayPal, gift cards, or other methods. 1. Affiliate marketing. Step 1. Choose a niche and research popular products or services related to it. Step 2. Create a website or social media platform to promote the products, services. Step 3. Sign up for an affiliate marketing platform like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Commission Junction. Step 4. Choose the products, services you want to promote and generate an affiliate link. Step 5. Promote the products, services using your website, social media, or other marketing channels. Step 6. Earn commissions on every sale made through your affiliate link. Online teaching. Step 1. Determine your area of expertise and create a lesson plan. Step 2. Sign up for an online teaching platform like VIPKid, Teachable, or Udemy. Step 3. Create a profile and provide all necessary information. Step 4. Create a course and upload it to the platform. Step 5. Promote your course using social media, advertising, or other marketing channels. Step 6. Earn money when students enroll in and complete your course. E-commerce. Step 1. Choose a niche and decide what products you want to sell. Step 2. Create a website using a platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento. Step 3. Set up your online store, including adding products and setting prices. Step 4. Promote your store using social media, advertising, or other marketing channels. Step 5. Receive orders, process payments, and ship products. Step 6. Continuously improve your online store and add new products to increase sales. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we post new videos. Plus, it's completely free, and you can always unsubscribe at any time if you change your mind. We're always looking for ways to improve our channel and provide even better content for our viewers, and your support by subscribing means the world to us. So, if you're enjoying our videos, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And as always, thank you so much for watching.